up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making my favorite dim sum dish. It is pan-fried noodles, and who doesn't like noodles? Alright, let's begin. First, we start by boiling some hot water to cook the noodles in, and the noodles will cook really quickly. They only take about 15 seconds to cook. I just like to put that in the boiling water. Go ahead and take chopsticks just to spread out the noodles so they're kind of separated and they're not sticking together. So once they're done cooking, go ahead and rinse them in some cold water. And then we're going to put that to the side. And I'm just going to show you ingredients. So again, those are noodles, green Chinese chives, green onions, and some bean sprouts. Make sure you clean all your veggies before slicing them. So first we're going to slice our green onion on an axis, and also going to chop up our Chinese chives like this. Okay, so we're going to add some oil to your pan here. Make sure it is on high heat, and then you're going to dump your noodles in. So while that's cooking, you're going to go ahead and add your wet ingredients to your noodles. First, you do a tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then mix it all up in there. Then you're going to add seafood soy sauce. Make sure you're stirring occasionally. Once the noodles have browned, we're going to just go ahead and transfer our noodles onto a pan and cook our veggies. So again, let's take some oil to our pan here. So we're just going to stir it up, and then while that's cooking, we're going to also add our bean sprouts to this. So while your veggies have been cooking, you can go ahead and add your noodles. Make sure to mix well with all your veggies, and also kind of taste the noodles to see if there's enough salt. You're gonna add some salt and white pepper if you'd like as well. Alright, and there you have it, guys. There are some fried noodles for ya to eat up for lunch, dinner. So good. Okay, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Because you know, you can see yo girl every week with new content. But anyways, go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't yet, so you can see more.